What's up, guys? We're back with another break. This is for Anthony again. The last two boxes of 2019 Bowman's Best. I already started opening the first box. So here we go. This is the first pack from the first mini box. Good luck, my friend. And we go with a Joey Gallo 19 out of 250 purple refractor. Nolan Gorman die cut and Yasiel Puig refractor. Pack 2, mini box 1. Josh Young, franchise favorites. Will Smith, rookie, refractor. Should be your autograph. Come on, Vladdy. Oh, it's a redemption. I don't know if Vladdy is redemption or not. Carter Kieboom. The bottom card is Adley Rutschman, or Rushman. And your autograph is Best of 2019 autograph blue. So I don't know what the numbering on that is. Blue refractor parallel. What's the number 2? Of Hunter Bishop. Blue refractor autograph of Hunter Bishop. I don't know how good Hunter Bishop is. Jeff McNeil, rookie. Cracked Ice, Pete Alonso. Oh, this is the variation one, I think. I think the one he's standing like this is the variation, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, what a nice card. These ones are my favorite. I love these cracked ice. Especially if they have color to it, like purple cracked ice or green cracked ice. Oh. Pete Alonso, rookie. That is nice. Adley Rutschman and Taylor Trammell. This is the first overall pick of 2019, right? Why doesn't it say RC on it? Okay, your other autograph is... First is a JJ Bleday and Bo Bichette refractor in this one. And Quinn Priester. Didn't you hit one already? Didn't you already hit a Quinn Priester? Mini box 2. Brandon Rogers, rookie. Rowdy Tellez, rookie. Vlad Guerrero, rookie again. Julio Rodriguez. That's good. I know that name. And Shea Langeliers, refractor. Julio Rodriguez, definitely a big prospect coming up for Seattle. I've heard that from the guys over here. Nick Senzel, rookie. Juan Soto, franchise favorites. And Fernando Tatis Jr., rookie. Refractor. Your autograph right there. Valuable. Oh, yeah. Can you just put it in the showcase right there? Thanks, buddy. Oh, green cracked ice. Oh, that's a good one. Sorry, it's not green, but it is a cracked ice power producers of Fernando Tatis Jr. At the bottom of this is Michael Chavez, rookie, refractor, and Nico Hischier. That's the first time I pulled this guy. I said Nico Hischier. Nico Horner, rookie auto refractor. Will Smith, Ronaldo Hernandez die cut, and Bryce Harper refractor. Victor Mesa, franchise favorites, and Javier Baez. And the final autograph, Kyle Tucker, rookie. Austin Riley, power producers. At the bottom is Reese Hoskins. And your final autograph is, oh, I saw the Mets. I thought it was Pete Alonso. It's Brett Batty. Brett Batty autograph. Okay. Not as good as the other boxes. We still got two more minis left. Good luck, Anthony. Mini box number 3. Good luck. Here we go. Come on, Vladdy, show up, please. Kyle Tucker, rookie. Juan Soto, Mike Trout, Jonathan India, die cut, and Ozzy Albies refractor. Brett Batty, franchise favorites, and Ramon Laureano, rookie refractor. First autograph is Yusei Kikuchi, rookie refractor, and your autograph is Mitch Keller, rookie. Mitch Keller, rookie auto. Chris Paddock, future foundation of Montero, and Alec Manua, refractor. Since you said he's one-touch worthy, his autograph, I'll put that in a sleeve. Carter Kieboom, rookie. Riley Green, franchise favorites, and Luis Robert. And your second autograph of this one is first Jeff McNeil, Manny Machado. On the bottom is Rowdy Tella's rookie refractor. And your autograph is Riley Green, gold, 9 out of 50. Gold Riley Green, 9 out of 50. What a nice looking card. Very nice. Riley Green. Mini box 2. Good luck. Reese Hoskins, 118 out of 150, blue refractor. Joey Bart, die cut, and Vladimir Guerrero, rookie refractor. Did I finish sleeves again? Wow. I sleeved 100 cards. There's no way I sleeved 100 cards, did I? Maybe I did. Wander Franco, franchise favorites, and Nick Senzel, rookie refractor. First autograph of, Justice Sheffield, rookie. Eloy Jimenez, rookie. Joey Gallo, refractor. And Cody Hayes? Cody Hose? Chris Paddock, rookie. Carter Kieboom, cracked ice, rookie. And Trey Turner, refractor. Victor Mesa Jr., franchise favorites, and Juan Soto, refractor. And we're going to finish with a bang. Come on, let's go. Big hit coming up. Last pack has, come on, give me a 101. Last pack 101. John Means, rookie. Fernando Tatis Jr., power producers. Mike Trout, refractor. And your final autograph is Dean Kramer. Dean Kramer is your final autograph. So no Tatis, no Guerrero, no Biggio, unfortunately, but some very nice cards. Some very nice cards, Anthony. Thank you so much for letting me open those boxes for you. Bowman's Best. Definitely a nice product. And this was a pretty loaded case. We still got one more box from the case. That is in the break. That is going to happen this weekend. Triple Up Baseball Break is up on there, and it has 7 spots left. Break number 1543. We got 7 left in football. Break number 1541. We got an NBA coming up for you guys, PYT, tomorrow. And we got a hockey up there on the site with the box of the cup in it. You're welcome, Anthony. Yeah, we do. With baseball, definitely go through 100 sleeves easily. So thanks, YouTube.